Greetings, dear viewers. Today we're going to break down the Freshbooks platform, a cloud-based financial management service that's perfect for entrepreneurs and freelancers. Let's dive into the details. The site offers three basic pricing plans. 1. Late $6 per month, suitable for 5 clients, includes invoicing, expense tracking, and basic reporting. 2. Plus $11 per month, up to 50 clients, adds automatic payment reminders and double checking of invoices. 3. Premium $19 per month, unlimited clients, advanced analytics and priority support. A 30-day free trial is available for new users without card linkage. The service supports integration with over 100 apps including PayPal, Shopify, and Gmail. Save time. Automating routine tasks reduces your financial work by up to 15 hours per month. Security. Data is protected by SSL encryption and backed up regularly. Mobile, iOS, and Android apps. Freshbooks is a powerful tool for keeping track of your finances. If the video was useful, put a like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments what services to talk about in the next episodes. Success in your projects.